Yeah, so last time I was here at Marikiti, it was on a Sunday, so I decided to come on a weekday to showcase how busy it gets over here downtown Mombasa, or in all reality it is Mombasa, but people over here do it like in California. You ask somebody where they live and they say LA, when they really probably live in Venice Beach or some other place in LA County or Newport. They do the same thing over here. So for example, somebody in Nyali, they'll say they live in Mombasa, when in reality they live in Nyali, but Mombasa County. And hold on tight. Only if there's a nice mataku. No mataku. Huh?
Some tips on motorbikes can steal your camera.
Yeah, I know.
Be careful, huh? Okay, be careful.
Yeah.
That one will not help, I'm telling you, my brother.
What did he say? What did he say? What was he saying? You didn't hear him? You didn't hear what he said?
Okay, can now enter here. The big one's there.
Yeah. What's the name of this place called?
The bigger one's there.
What's the name of this place? Name?
This place,
Huh?
Mombasa.
I have no idea what you just said, but okay. How much? How much? How much?
6,500.
No, less.
How much do you want, my friend?
What?
How much do you want?
5,000.
Come here. Come over here. Make 5,500.
What? No, 5,000.
Okay, no problem. Take them out.
Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Welcome. We have also shirts, t-shirts. These t-shirts, yeah?
T-shirts.
Huh?
Just leave them.
What?
Welcome. What about t-shirts?
Hey, what's your name? Since I'm your friend. Since I'm your friend, what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Tony.
Tony?
Yeah, Tony. Tony, yeah. And you?
So you were trying to charge me 7,500 for this.
And you, what's your name?
I'm Joey.
Joel, from?
New Jersey.
From which country?
US.
US. Oh, what?
By New York.
Kenya.
So you were giving me mzungu price.
I don't want to it's a part of business, you know? Yeah. Because I'm way after those. So, no problem, my friend.
Okay.
If you agree, there is no problem.
What are they saying? What are they saying?
Muslims.
Yeah, what are they saying? You understand? Allah?
Allah Akbar.
They're saying Allah? Allah.
Allah Akbar. Mungu ni Jesus of
What does it mean?
yeah.
Oh, say that again? Say that again? Say that again?
Jesus is big.
You terrible, my man.
From here to
What's the name of this place?
Mwembe Tayari. Near
Yeah,
Post
that-
Bus. Mwembe Tayari near Post Bus.
That's hard to pronounce.
Mwembe Tayari.
Mwembentiari.
Yeah. Near Post Bus. Yeah. Near Post Bus.
Mimi, Ni, Americani.
American.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Mimi, see, speak.
This way?
No, see, speak. No.
Mimi see, okay?
Swahili.
Yeah, Swahili. Yeah.
Sijui Swahili. Say
Yeah.
that. Mimi
Mimi,
sijui
sijui,
Kiswahili.
Kiswahili.
Yes.
Yeah.
You say you don't know how to talk Swahili.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You look unfamiliar.
Mimi, fala. Mimi, fala.
You look familiar.
Huh?
You look familiar. Yeah.
They call, everybody over here calls me John Cena.
You are John Cena. Sure. You
No longer. I only do movies now.
Oh, you do movies.
Wrestling don't pay enough.
Okay.
I want big money. I want big money. They ain't give me the money.
Yeah, that's very nice. You look like John Cena. That's why I say you look familiar. Sure.
So I went around. They were trying to give me mzungu prices over there.
Yeah.
High
7,500.
And that is not fair.
High price.
I was like, you crazy. I was like, I have business over there. I was like, I have business over there. I don't want to waste my time. Oh, wait. I was like, you're giving me mzungu price, you're wasting my time. I left.
And I'm very happy because you came back.
Hi, my man. And this is how you got to do business in Kenya.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're going to get mzungu prices.
I don't know.
Yo.
Very.
Oh, right here. It's right here. I'm gonna get the bag, come right out. Don't leave. I already paid for it. Let me call you right back, girl. You look pretty. I'm gonna call you back. Asante.
Karibu sana.
Rafiki.
Rafiki yangu
From now on we're Rafiki.
Okay. Karibu.
CC, it's CC, we, how do you say we? CC, CC ni Rafiki.
Yeah.
We're taking this Italian, they make these in Italy. It's like basically a motorcycle with back seat. They have them in the Algarve as well. They got them all over the place over here. So I got the luggage. The other dudes, they wanted to try to charge me 7,500, and I was able to get it for 4,750. That's what you got to do.